Okay, so we have the reservoir problem here, the spring runoff at the top, and the 4 different reservoirs. We're going to mark these as we go down. Okay, Corey, you tell us when to go.
Ready, set, go.
Okay, so spring runoff is going to start soon. There's the first month, that's January.
10.
There's February. Okay, these reservoirs are all empty. Okay, there's March.
20.
Okay, so we have the little drains coming, little holes from the top of each of these. We're just marking them as it goes down.
30.
Oh, I finally feel water.
35.
You finally got some?
Finally.
Okay.
30 seconds into.
40.
Okay, there's the spring runoff has ended. It's back to kind of normal flow rates again. Okay.
50. 55.
So the differential equations are going to model, they're going to model this. We're going to write mass balances that are going to model how the level changes with time. Okay, keep going.
70.
Maybe 10 seconds should have been each month. Okay.
75.
But the rain stopped.
Yeah, that's okay. It's a dry year. So,
Drought.
it's a drought now. Now the reservoirs are going down.
I got some bubbles.
Okay. You got bubbles, oxygenated water.
Maybe give them a different direction for another time.
Are the holes different sizes?
They're about the same, actually. If I had different size holes, then it would
105.
drain differently.
Man, ours is gonna be boring.
110.
Steps.
Yeah,
115.
My level's going down.
120.
It's kind of cool to go in a circle.
125.
see if I can get a different view
I
from
almost
this
let it
angle.
like run out of the Salt Lake.
How's Salt Lake doing down there at the bottom?
Half full.
It's kind of filling up down there. Yeah. This is the Utah Lake right here. Okay. How's Utah Lake been doing?
Makes 5.
Pretty steady, huh?
Yeah, it has been for a while.
How has Jordanelle been doing?
I'm out of space for marking.
It's kind of going down now. We had the runoff, we had Deer Creek, Utah Lake, and then we had Great Salt Lake. Okay, guys, let's end it there.
Okay, just keep it over mine.
Okay, go ahead and dump it in.
Yeah, you could just dump it if you want.
Okay. And then let's do this. I need all the cups, okay?
I know, it was awesome.
And what we're going to do,
Should I just dump it out?
So where did we start at?
So we started at,
okay, so which one did you guys have?
this one was Jordanelle.
Yeah,
Jordanelle.
So we started here, and then it goes up this way every 5 seconds.
And then it went
And then
back
it peaked
down.
right here, and then
Okay.
it went back down.
Okay, so it went back down. So it kind of went up and then back down again. Let's see Deer Creek. Where's Deer Creek? Okay, show us where you started.
I think it started right here, to be honest. I'm not entirely certain. And
Okay.
It went up,
Went up and then,
and then it was high for a while, and then it started coming back down.
okay, so it started coming back down. Okay, and let's see, this is Utah Lake? Okay, so show
So
us
it
that.
started low, started empty here, went up, continued to increase, went up here, then we paused for a while, and rotated the cup, and it started to go down.
Okay, great. Okay, and let's see Utah Lake, or this is Great Salt Lake.
It looks like we had a delay, probably the largest delay, and then it just looks like it
Just
linear-
steadily increased. Okay, great.